Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're covering the best tips for harvesting cherry tomatoes. We'll show you how to recognize when your tomatoes are perfectly ripe and the best techniques for picking them to keep your plants productive all season long. Ripe cherry tomatoes are vibrant in color and slightly firm to the touch. Depending on the variety, they may be red, yellow, or orange. A ripe tomato will easily come off the vine with a gentle twist. If it resists, it may need a bit more time to ripen. When harvesting, use your fingers or garden shears to gently pick the tomatoes, taking care not to damage the plant. Harvest regularly to encourage continued production. The more you pick, the more your plant will produce. To keep your cherry tomato plant producing, make sure to remove any overripe or damaged fruit that could slow down growth. Regularly feeding and watering your plants will also help them stay healthy and productive throughout the season. With these harvesting tips, you'll enjoy a continuous supply of fresh, delicious cherry tomatoes. Stay tuned for more gardening advice, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Happy harvesting!